MDT sitting at a really good place, so I will probably get an exit out there, though that's one where we have a short strike expiring this week, and that short premium is really working in our favor. All right, so those are all up on the board here. I will get those emails and those push notifications out shortly. All right, cool. And then, like I said, I just updated our watch list, so we're going to have a ton of new potential signals to take a look at here. CRM down a couple bucks, and Square, we're down a buck. Okay, all right. I will be right back, guys. I just want to update the tracker.